Welcome back to Product Detective. Today, we have an in-depth and comprehensive review for you on a supplement that's been making waves in the weight loss community, Aplalean. This product claims to help you shed those extra pounds, and we're here to put it to the test. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Aplalean, from its ingredients and mechanism of action to potential side effects and real-world results. So, let's dive right in. Aplalean, as the name suggests, is a weight loss supplement designed to help you curb your appetite and boost your metabolism. It's marketed as a natural and safe way to support your weight loss journey. One of the key factors in evaluating any supplement is its ingredients. Aplalean contains a blend of natural components like green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia, and caffeine, known for their potential to support weight loss. We'll take a closer look at how these ingredients work and whether the science behind them supports the claims. But how does Aplalean actually work? We'll explore its mechanism of action, how it affects your appetite, metabolism, and fat-burning processes. Understanding this is crucial to decide if it's the right fit for your weight loss goals. Now let's get to the exciting part, real-world results. We've had a group of volunteers test Aplalean over the past few weeks, and we'll share their experiences and progress with you. Did it help them shed those pounds? And were there any unexpected side effects? Safety first. We'll delve into the recommended dosage and discuss any potential side effects or contraindications that you should be aware of when considering Aplalean. It's essential to use any supplement responsibly. In addition to our own testing, we'll also share some customer reviews and testimonials from people who've tried Aplalean. This will give you a broader perspective on the product's effectiveness. Curious about the cost and where you can get your hands on Aplalean? We've got you covered. We'll discuss the price point and availability options so you can make an informed decision. To wrap it up, we'll provide a final verdict on Aplalean. Is it worth trying, or are there better alternatives out there? We'll summarize the pros and cons, and you can decide if it aligns with your weight loss goals. That's a wrap on our in-depth review of Aplalean. Visit the official website of Aplalean. We have left the link in description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative reviews and health-related content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.